the stuff's in. All the hard points are done. Got all the brakes and all that stuff on. Still got to drill some holes in that 10-inch thick plate there, but anyways, that's my portioning valve and line lock. And I just got done getting everything all loomed up in there. Anyways, got all the stuff done just about. There you go. I don't know if you can see anything, but there you go. Getting close. I'm gonna put a body on it here pretty soon. All right, we got another update on the Chevelle, or the Malibu. Motor tranny is sitting in it. We're gonna make a tranny mount now. Made a mid plate for it. That all mounts to its own little cross member. Got all the brakes in. That's the proportioning valve right there. Distribution block and a line lock. And ran all the battery cables in the frame over there. Got the fuel brake lines over here. That's for the e-brake right there. The other brake line comes out through there. Comes out right there, all in the frame. Suspension's pretty much all on it. Got the dual calipers on the back, but getting close. Getting close. Well, she's pretty much on her feet now. Just gotta make the tranny mount. That is a full-on chassis there, from what I can tell. Finally gonna get a car done out of this place.
Finally!
Oh, she looks good from back here.
So suave.